Hi guys, I'm Ross.
And I'm Lyndal, and Ross and I work with Wycliffe Bible Translators, and we've been working with them since 1982. We went to Papua New Guinea first and worked with the Iramu speaking people there, one of the 800 languages in Papua New Guinea, and worked with the people there to translate the New Testament and parts of the Old Testament. And uh, then later we went to Vanuatu and we worked there for a long time too. So um, I got into Bible translation because I married Ross. But Ross, you can say how you got into it.
I guess I got into Bible translation because of a pushy minister and then a 7 month short term experience in Papua New Guinea working in the Bible translation mission community using my practical skills, technical skills. I trained as an electronic technician, IT sort of a person. Um, so rubbed shoulders with translators and saw the results of Bible translation in Papua New Guinea, talking to Papua New Guineans. Um, that sort of resonated with my track going to Moore College and love and growing love for the Bible. And so yeah, after a couple of years at Moore College, 3 years at Moore College, marrying Lyndal, we decided that that's where God was going to use us.
And it was a good decision. But MTS, I don't know if it was invented in our day. We've been around a long time. It was just being thought of, I think. But anyway, Ross's practical experience was a good help in training us, and of course other training after that, to go and do the job. And we're still involved with Wycliffe and still involved with Vanuatu there, and we have and do love the job and probably like the idea of Bible translation more and more every year. Um, you say what
Yeah, I
else we
think
love about it?
probably the wonderful thing about Bible translation, at least the way we did it from our perspective, is that it takes a long time. So it took 17 years. Our first go at in translation in Papua New Guinea, 17 years with a community that gives every day looking at the Bible with 3 or 4 guys, talking about it, trying to nut it out, trying to work out how we're going to express it in another language. Just a long-term discipling project, getting to know people, getting to know church situation, getting to know the ins and outs of their life, and all of those things impinging not only on translation but on how you relate to people and the sorts of challenges that are in their life and how Scripture and God and Jesus would address them. So yeah, it's no hit and run job, let's say, but wonderful. We grew our kids up there. Um, they're going on with Jesus now, so we're very pleased about that.
So I think too, in our more recent years in Vanuatu, we spent a lot of time just helping people to uh, read the Bible and understand kind of things you guys do all the time, how to work out what a passage means and all that sort of thing. And that's it's a great joy to be able to do that with other people that the education system doesn't really lend itself to that sort of thinking and working. And so yeah, so if you're I think you're all there people who really enjoy reading the Bible and take it very seriously. So it's probably the best start for anybody, yeah, thinking about this job.
Mm.
Would you say?
So probably a way into Bible translation and using the MTS track is the mission option in MTS. Uh, Short-term experience, rubbing shoulders with translators actually on the field is a good thing. Good thing, especially if you spend long enough at it. You know, not just a week or two. If you can find a situation where you can be there for 6 months and get full insight, that's great. Then yeah, we need resilient people, people that are good at relating to other people. Bible translation is all about relating to people every day, rubbing shoulders with people, needing to know about them and their culture, and being accepted into the community. Yeah.
So if you're just even a little bit interested, get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you more.